Sometimes we have a school assembly. An assembly is when everyone in the school gathers together. I will walk quietly to the assembly with my class. I will find a spot to sit and keep my body to myself. The assembly might be loud. That is okay. If it gets too loud, I can use headphones. I will listen to the speaker and follow directions. I can clap if others clap. It is a way to show appreciation. If I need to, I can use a fidget tool to help keep my hands busy. If I need to, I can draw or color to help my body stay calm. The assembly will end, and then we will go back to class. I can be proud of myself for being safe, respectful, and responsible during the assembly.